Kurumjari SKTV News na sandok sariba Manipuri pau yingbiri bisung bataram nukshari ahan bada moroiba pau sing pangbi. Central na Manipur kai na basilak labadi tumina lairoi sabsa na mayok nagani haina lamlai Assembly Constituency ge MLA Command Tabam Ibom sana fongdo krai. Raglalon bayaw na marilay na batabak singda laingak ki tabak to bamiyoy sing yawram na basu makoy gi mathakta sabsa batabak lawkhat kani haina DGP Rajib Singh na section wa tham krai. Hojik miyam da pau sanung na pijari. Center na Manipur kai na basilak labadi tumina lairoi sabsa na mayok nagani haina lamnai Assembly Constituency ge MLA Command Tabam Ibom sana fongdo krai. BJP lamlai mandal na sinduna Independence Day gamari lena ngasi har ghar tiranga pangthokrai nongada da leiba MLA gi yumdagi hawduna lamlai fawbu satkiba khongset aduda BJP Manipur gi Vice President N Nimwas yauna BJP lamlai mandal gi lusingba singamadi member singna saruk yakhi thorom gamari lena MLA Command Tabam Ibom sana makha na hai center na hojik Manipur da tangdu leita ba purakna bakan honari haibasidi mayek senglaba wafam ni tangdu leita da ba phibam asi atuba matamda laksin ba yaba oidabana miyam na hena awaba thengnabani Pibam Mashidadi, Langak Sem Badagi, Tangduleta Bahana Purakpana Maru Oi, Aduba Hosik Irangasi, Loidribana, Langak Sem Bada Mapung Faba Oiroi, Maramaduna, majority number later Basu, Hosik Langak Sem Batabak Honadribani, Hosik Center the Leriba, Langana, Manipur Gidamak, Afaba Tauri, Manipur Miam Pamba, ILP Sana Halakle, Border Fencing Su Angamatak the Honori, Reserve Forest Kanava, Mito Kandona Bahonari Bapunamak Center na Sogatuna Lakli, Center na Equigi Apaba Torokpana, Equini yet Panatragana Pen the Pongdok Payab Wafum Karisulate. Kanagum bakara na aran ba pawda yumpham oiraga kuki singi tokhai balambi ama semna bahona bada center na sawgale haina sandorokle basi laibak thibani lo na yadaba thabak amata center na Manipur da torokadaba natte karigumba Manipur miyam na pamdaba Manipur kaibe yaba thabak Prime Minister Narendra Modi amsung mahakki lengang na toroklabadi BJP Manipur amadi masigi MLA singna yengduna leigadaba natte aduguba phibam laklabadi ima leibaki damak lepkani haiki
India government na ujiksi Manipur da leiba violence solution porong na bide mutta seriously tawbe aba thabak pun laukhali koi ima isa kaina ba yaroi da ba Manipur da hana gi punna leirakwa ujiksu leimina da ba yaroi da ba maya mama yauri ba se na ba adu yam complicated loiba aduna madu gumba mayam leibiduna matam khara lawba geni wani everything will be brought under law German loan khade amma khangde loan yaba khai adum leini loan ya dam khai amta leiro Manipur ki BJP ki party aduga khoi MLA leiri sing se akhoi India gi damuktani first ko aduga ani subada akhoi gi state sigi damuktane state sigi people sing da sokadaba state sida sokadaba do aur agadi kanano oirga su modi na haro zo khoi yaro
State asida mayai kaba ni sala lon ba yauna mari lena bathabak singda misam miyam da natana lainga ki thabak tawba miyoi sing yawrum na basu makhoi gi mathakta sabsa ba thabak laukhat kani haina Manipur gi Director General of Police Rajib Singh na section wa tham krai Indiana ning tamba phanglaki ba sahi humadrama palak suba Independence Day thorom gi mangoi na Manipur Police Department sinduna Imphal East District ki hata kangji bungdage State asigi Governor Security Advisor Chief Secretary amadi DGP na ngasi hargar tiranga gi manungsana Khongjom War Memorial Complex fawba bike rally ama pangthokrai Bike rally lamthaba aduda paumi singna hangba wahangi paukhumda DGP Rajib Singh hai state asi khangnatana leibak asigi Northeast state singda drug ki case ka mari lenaba thabak singda kupna yengsinduna thabak ya paikhatli man makha taraduna ngasigi bike rally asi leibak asigi damak thauna leina kathoki basing adubu ningsingduna sakhangba madi ikai khumna bu utpoina pangthokpani haiki thorom aduda harau tayambaga loina saru yari bakudima pusu DGP na thagat pafongdoki bike rally aduda police amade youth affairs and sports department ge bike sam contract yauna leibak asigi toan mafam kya dagi lakpa biker club tara nipan gi bike sa nipan marifu yaruga puna biker lising amga suna tara tare na saruk yakhi
This rally will go up till Khongjom. It is a recognition and remembrance of our sacrifices over the so many years for our country, and we all are energized by the thoughts of serving the country time and again. Drug menace is one of the banes which are in not only affecting Manipur but the entire northeast, and all the states are doing their bit. We are also trying, and the seizures etc. have increased obviously because there were some law and order issues earlier, so not much emphasis could be done. given to this. But we are very, very strict and we are very categorical and very clear that anybody and any person, whether it is a policeman or whether it is a civilian who is involved in all this drug, because it concerns the future of the youth, the generations, future generations of the state and the country, and we will be absolutely ruthless in dealing with this, whether it be criminals, whether it be people who are not supposed to do all this. So let me make it clear that the fight against drugs will go on irrespective of who is involved.
Lanjanar lava miyoi singi special rehabilitation package piduna masa masa gi memda hanjinba yahana ba Manipur dagi Rajya Sabha gi MP sana zawalai semana parliament takshin krai sathariba parliament mifum gi ngarang Rajya Sabha da senba sai lising ni kunwa kuntaru ki Manipur gi budget ki matang da khanane na bada saru yaraduna MP sana zawalai semana hai isada sida tholi ba irang asuna maram moiduna imung lising tara hen bagi miyoi lising yankai manga ga satruk yankai ni pan rom mayum makai thadokuna relief camp sani ga humpuni thoi da sange famlawduna leiri makoi sing asi sahi ani helaba fawba masa masa gi mayum da hanjinba ngamdavana tangdu leita da punsi mahing amada hingli makoi gi damang special rehabilitation package fangan baga loina masa masa gi mayum da hanjilhan ba yana ba sabsa ba thabuk packet piu haiki MP sana zawbuna makha taraduna center amasung state lagana punna hona duna state asigi law and order gi pibam khara makhai di fagalai atuba matam da han gi pibam da hanjilaglagani haibagi thajabasu lei adubu state asida August 12 dagi amukhana president's rule makha tana thataruk amaga sangthana ba warep lawkiba siga loina maruiriba wafum de national highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur amade national highway number 37 Imphal Jiribam da sinkuki kangluki biyoi singna maitai sing chatpada athingba thamlak klibana hojiksu purup asigi miyam highway ani asida maning tamna chathok chasin tawba yadana leiri national highway singda purup khudingi miyoi sing aki akhang amasung asoi angam yaudana chathok chasin yahanbagi tangai fadaba lei amaromda Myanmar amadi Bangladesh tagi sangsilakpa mitop sing khandoktuna maramda halan khiba haibasi tawdaba yadraba mani census amasung delimitation pangthoktringai thabak asi hena lumna lawduna mangjongna loisin phamthoi Indo Myanmar border gi matang da palladuna Manipur rom thangba sarukta leiriba kilometer 3 ga Manipur nipan sang bangam khai paring asida illegal immigrants sing atara kham naitana sangchilakpa thingnaba misang mikhai nairoidaba BSF kumba mathau masakhangba Central Security Force singa ningthina ngak selanbiu lengak sembagi matang da palladuna state ki law and order ki phibam hack phagalakpaga popular government ama thambiu haina sutakshin ki MP sana zawbuna makha taraduna Manipur gi puthokliba budget asina state asigi semilon fagat hanba ngambadana tana mausagi phibam hanjilakna bohona bada sauna mateng oregani sayesigi March 13 putoki balupa crore lising kunthra manga sam ngasumna ahum henbagi senphong mari lenena India lengana lupa crore lising kunthra ga samapan umpumapan henbagi apun senpham ama kai tharakrai hariba budget asina kanuki irangna sokhalaba lamdam sigi semilon gi phibam phagaran bamadi mayumakai thadokuna lanjanar labasingda akanaba tengbang phangan bagaloina state asida amukhana thajana ba purakna ba amasung mausagi phibam da hanjilakna bahona bada sauna mateng oiregani Manipur gi phibam makha tana phagalna ba state asida makha tana mateng pangbina basu MP sana zawbuna house ki puning singsinki
The two national highways of Manipur, namely National Highway 2, Imphal Dimapur, and the National Highway 37, Imphal Jiribam, are still not allowed to move freely for the Meitei community due to strict prohibition by Sinkuki groups residing in the hills for the last 2 years or more. So the national highways should be allowed free movements for Meitei community as soon as possible. The internally displaced person IDPs numbering around 55,658 from over 10,000 families and taking shelter in 262 relief camps are yet to return to their respective homes even after completion of 2 years. They are still facing a very unsettled life, so they should be allowed to return to their respective homes by availing special rehabilitation packages because they are about to start their lives from zero. In a democratic countries, people want to have a popular government. So my humble appeal is that a popular government should be reinstalled in Manipur as and when law and order situation in the state is completely improved. By doing so, the PR, the president's rules in the state will be more meaningful and appreciated.
Ngarang parliament Rajya Sabha gi MP sana zawbalai sembana Manipur da census amasung delimitation tawdringai da mitop sing hana khandu haina Central Langak ta takshin kibabu MMTU na thagatpa amadi tawbimal khangbu ulagli ngasi Maitai Mitai Tribe Union gi Organization Secretary Takhalamam Parijana khujek piduna thador ki bache rolamada mitop miyan sa kayana yalok phurup singna Khundariba Lamdamasita Sansilactuna, Leptana Yosol Ilbasingda, Aiko Gimiam, Rasnitigu Singbasing, political party Kenabatamdana Amatoina Tenamina Bamatotare, Masina Travadi, Matam Kari Matunda, Manipur Yelomi Singi, Kongul Mutkibayana Lady, Satariba Raja Savagi Mifamda, MP Sana Zaubale Semana Lissingani. Sumna Amadi Lissingani Taramatoida Satakiba Aranba census ki report Mayek Sena Thamki Loidana Myanmar Amadi Bangladesh ki Sanglakiba Mitop Sing Khandoktuna Masagi Maribakta Hanan Krabamatung census Amadi delimitation Tawudabne Haibasi Asumba Firepni Mitop Sing census Ayofom Tokte Aikogi citizen Nate MHN Metarama Panda Logi Wangda Sanglakiba Myanmar Amadi Bangladesh Sing Khandoktuna Masagi Maram Halan Kinaba Kangan Kiba Kravani Assam Nagaland Mizoram Meghalaya da Mitop Khandok Bahokre Adubu Manipuradi mitop khandok pagi thabak pangthok pagi mami tadri Manipurda Myanmar masakaya niyom lana ST list yaure haiba mek sengna khanglabani adubo central lenga ki yathang Manipurda sanada bugum tauri hozik MMTU Arambai Tengol Village Volunteer Force amadi Universal Friendship Organization Deport Illegal Immigrant Before Census and Restore Maitai in ST Status haiba campaign sathari campaign asida lamdamasigi civil society organization sing political party punamana khenaba thamdana punna sanchin minase haina so appeal torgli IAS officer Hungyo Warsangbu Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes ki chairperson oina hapkrai Manipur ki governor ki order matungina Manipur lenga ki additional chief secretary tribal affairs and hills Anurag Vaswai na ngarang thoki basero lamagi matungina Hungyo Warsang na Hana Pairam Bab Famgi Matakta Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes ki chairperson ki fam puragani Mahak Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes Act 2014 ki section 3 close to subclause A ki makha da commission ki chairperson oina hapki bani panbaya abadi tongan ba naga lup singna matam kuina hangduna laklaba commission asigi chairperson ki fam asi mention ba lengakta taksinduna lakki bani Naha Singh social media pu mafam matam sana season aduna kana ba logadabani haina Tribal Youth Council Manipur gi wangang loi ngirei sang zibik na phongdokrai Imphal West District ke Tarungda leiwa community hall da Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM amadi Tarung Youth Club na phuna sinduna Manipur State Legal Services Authority masalsa amadi District Legal Services Authority Imphal West ki matenga loinana Youth Empowerment for a Sustainable Future haiba theme da ngasi International Youth Day come Legal Awareness Program ama pangthokrai Tharamadu da NIT Manipur Electrical Engineering Department ke Head of Department Associate Professor Dr. Benjamin A. Simre Manipur Fire Service Senapati District Branch ki Officer in charge Zahingam Gonmai Social Worker Wungreyo Ningsen amadi Cybercrime Manipur ki DSP Susarugya ki
Manipur si report ni haru yai awai community karisu awareness leadri asik matam sida asukumba kholai awai bu pisibse awai yam danger liye aduna abuse drug abuse awai ye sukumba media sukumba electronics media si abuse tawuse aduna yam awai bu yam khutong thiba thangi dore ayo asikumba se prevent tawni yai adukumba awareness yawe aduna ai hiding bana awai gi youth se awai gi leba gi youth se afawa lomda jahandingai se
Paugi Marathon attend Brematang nominase
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Skate broadband service na miyam gi damak kudong sabak ya puduna lakseri high speed internet service ke toan plan sing leizare 450 plan da 200 mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV channel sani yankai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT phanbigani 550 plan da 300 mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV channel sani yankai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT phanbigani 700 plan da 500 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV channel Saniyangkai hena amasung SKTV gi OTT fangbigani. 850 plan da unlimited 100 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV channel Sohumyangkai hena OTT da SKTV Z5 amadi atai OTT tara mari fangbigani. 1000 plan da unlimited 125 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV channel Sohumyangkai hena OTT da SKTV Z5 Sony Live amadi atai OTT tara mari fangbigani. 1300 plan da unlimited 150 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV free IP box channel Samri Yangkai hena OTT da SKTV Z5 Sony Live Zio Hotstar amadi atai OTT tara mari fangbigani. 1800 plan da unlimited 200 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV free IP box channel Samra Yangkai hena OTT da SKTV Z5 Sony Live Zio Hotstar Lionsgate Play amadi atai OTT tara mari fangbigani. 2500 plan da unlimited 300 Mbps speed Wi-Fi IPTV free IP box channel Samra Yangkai hena OTT da SKTV Z5 Sony Live Zio Hotstar Lionsgate Play amadi atai OTT tara mari fangbigani. Customer request da ETV Win Hoisoi natraga Sun NXT su lobiba yagani. Akupa marol gidamak Kaisampat Junction da laiba SK Office natraga Sangai Plong Mamang Laikai da laiba SKTV Office da lakpiu. Mobile number sing 8974 633 320 natraga 8974 209 152 da call to birak pasu yagani. Skate Breaking matungda mayam mutaram nushari makata pausing pizeri. August tarahumdoi athobu singi numit ka mari lenana Manipuri Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana laikhidraba athobu singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utpagaluina lamdam sigi miyamda yaipa paujel pirakli. Governor na mahaki paujelda lamdam sigi ning tamba ngaknaba maithiragani khangna khangna Anglo Manipur War 1891 da mapangal kalaba British ka Tengnaduna, Mamale Bakidamak, Tauna Lena Katoki, Athoba Singaduna, Mika Ponbai, Thadokuna, Ningtam Bahibisida, Sapsana Tazaduna, Mamale Bakidamak Lantena Kibani, Numit Asuna Lapagaloina, Saksu, Lining Lishungi Kena Batamdana, Apunba Manipurama Wasak Hena Cecil Halase, Numit Asipo Palan Tobada Mapung Fana Saruya Bagalina, Masaktona Palan Toduna, Athoba Singadugi Mafamda, Ikai Kunaba Unminese Hairi. August Tarahumdoi Athobu Singi Numina Lakpada Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Toksom Set of Returnasu Miyam de Paujel Piragli Speaker Gi Paujel da Numidasi Aikogi Puari the Yauba Numit Amakangnate Aikogi Tamoy da Dumak Laying than a later the Numit Amakakne Lamdamasigi Ning Tambangana by Anglo Manipur War 1891 da Tauna Lena Ipai Pusing Lantanaram Kiba Amasung Awanga Takta Katoki Banamit Makogi Mapam the Ikai Kumnaba Utpagaloina Manipur Damak Katopangamba Amade Madugi Tona Adu Hena Mek Sangalasi Hairi. August Tarahumdoga Mari Lenina Tang Assembly Constituency MLA Tongbram Ravindro Nasulam the Masigi Miam de Paujel Pirakli, MLA Paujelda, Aikogilam, Culture Ramasung, Ning Tambangak Naba, Honabada, Lissingam Sanipan Marifudra Matoi the Sonakiba, Anglo Manipur Warda, Tona Lena Lantinaduna, Tawaikat Kiba, Tobusingi, Tona Ling Jeladu, Aikoin and Ningsing Duna, Aikogi Iram the Masibu, Kangadavani, Makogi Katopaduna, Aikoida Tona Haptuna Lam the Masigi Nungaya Pabamadi, Hiram Kuding the Sakat Purakna Bahona Minasi Herikli. Laklibo August Taramanga India gining tambar minasi boycott overgaluna numidasi ayupung taruk tagi numidang waram pung taruk fawba kanglipak Manipurda total shutdown lautok lehana lona tinkrabala loluf Alliance for Socialist Unity kanglipak na fongdorgle Lubasagi Publicity Committee ki convener S Mangala Thadoro ki basero lamada Manipur ba India na namduna lokshin ki banumid kumzalising masama panifumapan ki October tara manga dagi hauna Manipur gi miyoi kharanadi Manipur sai Bharat ki loilam oire haiduna laki Kumzalising Masamapan Yankai Humdoi the Gide, Kulai Piper Alolup, Linkatuna, Ning Tamba Tanbi Hok Toraki, Manipur, Varkiloilam Oirabasi, Hokibasahi Humudrani Toyasida, Lalolup, Lanailup Amadi, Akanga Himio Kiana Kudam Sangdam Kayapiduna Sumi Haina Utuna Laki, Handaki, Kuki Lanasidagidi, Wafamasi Sumi Haiba, Yamna Make Sena Utorkley, Armed Forces Special Powers Act na Ngaklo Pirga, Indian Army na Misam Miam Ot Nairambadagi, Ngaside, Makogi Kunek Season Aduna, Kangluki Irangasi, Sukatlaga, Kanglup Masel Hatong Halay, Thong Asi Tauraga, Makoina Taza Bayaba, Proxy Army Putok Pangamba, Furup Ama Yokalak Lay, Hana the Gay, Indiana Haibakia Electaba, Indian Union da Taza Patangataba, Loinana, Lan Hoduna Lakpa Kanglup Singa, Hana Tupnaduna, Adubang Leba, Namgodaba, India Lengakta, Napsa Tangjabada, Atopa Furup Amana. Mapanagi Makoigin Haiba, Muising Pusilatuna, Saranga Tokali, Haina Maral Sirkli, Lakliba Augustara Mangagi, Numid Asida, Ayupung Tarutagi Nungtil Pung, Taruk Fawa Manipur Sinbatuna, total shutdown Lautole, Atimbasi, Atukai, Mahulangpo, Maising Ana Lang, Lining Laishol, Mahimashinga Mari, and about Tabaktorum Sing the D, Comtokani Haina Serol Cinema Katargli. India da library gi iho Mangsil Thana Pukalamba Dr. S.R. Ranganathan gi Mapok Numit Laivaksin Batungna National Library Librarians Day Lisingani Kunmanga Thorom Pangtong Nabugum Ngasi Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Zenimski Central Library Dasu Pangtokrai Thorom gi Sarugaboina Free Little Library Take a Book Live a Book Haina Little Library Amasu Hangdoki, Thoromaduda, Janimski Director Professor L. Usarani, Janimski Medical Superintendent Professor Kets Lokeshwar, Dental College Principal Professor Nidars Hedji Nasarugyaki, Janimski Director Professor L. Usarani na Haikibada, Larik Tamliba, Angang Natragana, Ahal Uriba Singsu, Library Ge, Matautai, Sakwalpugi Matunga Internet Ge, Knowledge Panglabasu, Traditional Oiba, Sea the Itokuna Tamlaba Lariksu Matautai, Masigimaru Oiba Kangduna, Janimski, Sip Librarian Dr. S. Sofia Ranina, Live a Book, Tag a Book, Wakalonda, Little Library, Hodoli Basi, Taganing and Haiki.
Mi khudimangna doctor khudimangna staff khudimangna satra satri khudimangna su masigi ihau sida saruk yagani larik donate tawbirakani amasung apamba larik su lobigani haibasi ai thajai masi knowledge exchange tawbagi natraga akhoina apamba novel aina paba nahangai phangaktabadu masida thengnaraga di paba phangbagi adugumba keno amasu masina sumnagi akhoigi sida jenims ta chathariba academic activities ta Darkar leba potu da natana akoina general knowledge boy rasu natraga general literature boy rasu prose boy rasu poetry boy rasu essay boy rasu paning badu thengnaraga di akoina su isagi leijariba larik ama donate tawbaga loina na larik tu su paba phangbagi mahaudu lawminna si haidana aina thamjari.
All our teachers, they always used to tell us that we are working on a very difficult project. So we used to ask them, what is the difficult project? They said that they are writing a book for class 10 student. Writing book for class 10 student. Writing an article is very easy. But to write a book for class 10 student, an authority and expert has to try to enter into their mind. How to enter into their mind? Because they cannot use very abstract things. They have to understand the psyche and the mind of school students, and they have to be as clear as possible in language and in presentation.
Pokpadangari ba angang sing masamo fana thamna ba apopi mamagi khomlang tha taruk fawba ningthina pithapiyo haina Health Services ki Director Dr. Sambo Gonmai na phongdokrai ngasi Directorate of Health Services State Health Society amadi National Health Mission Manipur na sinduna prioritize breastfeeding create sustainable support system haiva hiram da state level launching of World Breastfeeding Week lisini kurma ge thormama lamphel patalai ba Indian Medical Association IMA ge holder pangthokrai thormadu da Health Services ki Director Dr. Sambo Gonmai, Family Welfare Services ki Director Dr. N. Hemant Kumar, Health Services ki Additional Director Dr. Binosu Sarugyaki.
Yung sida mamaga angangi da mag special way na hygienic way na thamne ba asi si yam bhavane si wajina yengsing da ba care logo da bi se yam na phajana tawri bisina infant mortality rate se yam na hanthe ne aina no hain ne aduga mokai ye chawa ta bi so bi de awareness yam la kram ne na moi ja chinja ki ba khot ta taw bi so yam section na taw bi ye ojik di angang siba hai bi se yam na hanthe ne adana so let us celebrate this breastfeeding week. Aduga mimyam dasu mimyam khang mimyam chingna sandokyo hai. Manipur
Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPC Aramadi Center for Women and girls na puna sinduna anti ragging and bullying haiva hiramda nongmagoi sensitization program amangase Chandel gi Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya da pangthokrai thoramadu da MCP Shar gi chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar MCP Shar gi member Muhammad Habibur Rahman Center for Women and Girls ki executive director Hessing Haukif SDC Chandel Motil Saka Amri ZNB Sanil gi Principal Dr. Amerson Sankilna Sarugyaki thoramadu da technical session da Prohibition and Eradication of Ragging Act 2019 amadi Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act FOXO Act 2012 ki matang da MCP Shar gi legal consultant advocate TH Raskishore na resource person oina wangang ki ngasigi sensitization gi thoramadu da JNB gi mahiroi sing amadi Oza Singh ZEO Chandel gi official amasung CWZ amadi one stop center Chandel gi staff sing susarugya ki Lairen Kavi Youth Dramatic Union gi Secretary Oiramba Laitan Tem Ivo Singh Anirak Suba Ningsing Thoram ngasi Laikhidraba Ivo gi yumda pangthokrai Thoramadu da Laikhidraba Ivo gi photo da aika leka tamduni kai khumnaba utki ngasi gi Thoramadu da State Kala Academy Awardee B Jugol Chandra Sharma Sangnarava Playwright Niladhaja Kuman LYDU gi President T Samu Susarugya ki Taraturuk Suba Assam Rifles Samsung Kangpopi Youth Union Apuna Sinduna Kangpopi District Headquarters ki Sports Complex ta Satharaki Va Fish and Friendship Volleyball Tournament lising kunma ki winner KMT Zangnoina Oirei ngasi sanaki final match ta KMT Zangnoina Danger Voice po set ahumama thoiduna tournament asigi winner oikibani KMT Zangnoi gi Ibrahim Athoina best player of the tournament gi mana funky volleyball tournament lotion gi thoramadu da kunitoi Suba sector Assam Rifles gi DIG Brigadier Ansuman Tripathi, SP Kangpopi Manos Pravakar, CRPF ki Makok Thongo official sing yauna Committee on Tribal Unity, Kotu Kangpopi Women Welfare Organization, KWWO, Kuki NP Sadar Hills, Kuki NP Cycle Gilusing Sing Susarugya ki. Loishalakpada Moribu Paushing Mukana Fungbigani. Center na Manipur kai na basalak labadi tumina lairoi sabsa na mayong nagani haina lamlai assembly constituency gi MLA khongman tabam ibom sana phongdok thrai amasung drug lalon bayaw na mari lena bathabak singda lainga ki thabak tawba miyoi sing yawram labasu makhoi gi mathakta sabsa bathabak lokhat kani haina DGP Rajiv Singh na section wa tham thrai Hojikuna di SKTV News na sandok saba Manipuri Paulo jere Manipur myam gi punchita khwai gi maroi bai state sige lebak sige madi malim gi ba I pausing gi damak SKTV News bu binyang tanu lebiu pawing bru sungjo amukana khurum jare